In this lesson, we want to explain how to make a GIF from a video. An animated GIF or an animated image called GIF or GIF is an image that does not require a play button to display, and it can be easily play and display on websites and anywhere. It has a loop mode that repeats an animation in itself. To make a GIF, we first prepare a video from this part of website. In a YouTube channel, I want to do this by going with the mouse on the enter button and coming back. I want to create an educational GIF from this. For example, I want to say, please click to enter button to enter our YouTube channel. Try not to make a video too long. Okay, start recording, as you can see, and that's enough. Okay, and we hit finish and we enter editor environment, and easily you can click on a GIF button, or if you select a desired part of video, if you click on a GIF, you have to select which ways you want. Use a selection or whole video. Okay, I click a whole video and its settings opens. The software itself has put 3 presets here for more convenience. Each of them has its own settings. First, screen video, which has resolution in HD and frame rate is 5 FPS. FPS is frame per second, 5 frame in 1 second. I would like to say here that the more frame per second result better and smoother the GIF, but its size will increase sharply, which is not good. So always select smaller FPS. Looping on means exactly what we expect from GIF. Repeat an animation. Another preset is high motion video, which has a smaller dimension than the previous mode, but its FPS is higher. It's 15. Reduced file size mode, which reduces the size of the file scale to 400 pixel wide and maintain the aspect ratio, but its FPS is very low. This gives the worst GIF quality, but the file size is very small. Okay, and finally is custom, where we can make all settings ourselves. But first you can set frame rate, and then the larger number, the higher the GIF quality. It runs smoother, but the file size also increases sharply, and the lower number, the GIF quality decreases, but the file size decreases too. You can test all these numbers yourself according to the file you have and your limitations. You have to find the result that you want. In the dimension section, you can specify the dimension of the file based on the pixel or preset or percent, sorry. In the width and height section, manually change the dimension of the file, and this lock symbol means it keeps the aspect ratio. When you change, for example, width and height, change accordingly. Okay, enable dithering improves the GIF quality a lot, but also increases its volume, the file size. Test this based on your situation. Looping mode must be enabled unless your GIF to be played only once, and then become a still image until you run it again. Fade to black also moves the GIF a darker color at the end. You can test it if you want. Okay, well, now we created two gifts with our own setting. Let's compare one with FPS 5. Okay. And as you can see, the gift create here. You can go into share and save your file. Okay, back to, this is a recent file, back to this video and create another gift with 30 FPS. Okay, I'll share this, I'll save this file. We will be explaining all of this to you. Okay, as you can see at the bottom of the software, all imported and converted files are here. Pay attention to the signs next to them. Video, GIFs, JPEG. Okay, well now this GIF which is made with 5 FPS, as you can see its quality is low. This is the GIF with 30 FPS, which is very high quality, and the movement and animation is very smooth, but its file size is very large. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.